Hello everyone. I feel privileged to share that we have collaborated with Public Relations Council of India for promoting communication skills. We know that effective communication is a skill which needs to be mastered. We have created a Young Communicators Club for this purpose, and I implore my students to join this club to get a holistic training to effectively communicate their concerns about the society, about environment, and about humanity in general. I take this opportunity to express my deep gratitude to Shri Vivek Atre, ex-IAS, for his unflinching support to the institution and to all its endeavors. I am sure that this collaborative effort will go a long way in promoting effective communication skills among our young stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Vivek Atre. I am the President or Chairman of the Public Relations Council of India, Chandigarh chapter for the year. The YCC club at MCM DAV College is our pride and joy because it's a wonderful club, a great initiative by the college and Dr. Nisha Bhargav, the principal, along with the team which is handling it, Dr. Manjot and Ashish and others who are involved. I think it will go a long way in helping the students to become great communicators, to become aware of the necessity of good communication, of how to become very good at presenting themselves, becoming confident, becoming not smooth talkers but good communicators. And those who are able to communicate effectively in this era and handle public relations in this era effectively, they're going to be very successful in the years to come. So I think the Young Communicators Club at MCM DAV is something that all students should be a part of, and those who have a spark and energy and enthusiasm and good communication skills, or they want to improve their skills, they should definitely join. My best wishes always to YCC MCM DAV Chandigarh.
Hi everyone. I would like to inform that the Young Communicator Club is the youth wing of Public Relations Council of India, which has 15 chapters all over India. Public Relations Council of India is an organization of PR and communication professionals with more than 33 chapters all over the country and also has global presence. So under the umbrella of PRCI, the students they become good leaders, communicate effectively, and professionally they network with the stalwarts in the field, and also it helps them to bridge the gap between the academia and industry and make them responsible professionals when they go to the industry. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's our privilege and pleasure to introduce YCC, the youth wing of Public Relations Council of India at MCM DAV Chandigarh. And this association will definitely help our young ambassadors, our students, to give substantial shape to their ideas through their involvement and evolvement in the domain of communication. So in a way, the proposed endeavors of this club will assist them to bridge the gap between ideas and action. So here my sincere gratitude to our worthy principal Dr. Nisha Bhargava for her unflinching support and guidance. And a special thanks to Mr. Vivek Atre to formulate this club at MCM DAV. Best wishes to the team YCC. Keep rising and shining.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti Gambhir, Institutional Coordinator, MCM YCC. Since its establishment in the year 1968, Meher Chand Mahajan DAV College for Women has been working ceaselessly in the direction of promoting holistic development of its stakeholders. Taking this objective further, the college has set up Young Communicators Club in collaboration with Public Relations Council of India. The ability to communicate effectively is one of the most important life skills, and MCM YCC envisions to equip you with this life skill that will stand you in good stead in your personal as well as professional life. So, happy communicating with MCM YCC. Thank you.
My expectation from YCC is
I want to learn to communicate in a way that is effective with or without words.
I want to be in the presence of the experts in this field.
It will provide me a platform for online discussions,
broaden the horizon of my perspective,
and critical thinking.
To accentuate my intellectual and competence level too.
I'll be able to see more of myself.
for teamwork and leadership skills.
Me understand people better.
And to perform with great aplomb.
To cultivate my social skills.
Intricacies of speaking effectively.
Enhance my personality.
Discover and unleash my latent potential and would expose me to a space of like-minded individuals who share the same dexterities and aptitude,
Thereby increasing our confidence and improving our communication skills and stepping forward to becoming good orators.
We can work wonders by mastering this life skill.
So this is why I want to join YCC.